Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple, updated way to unmute a group on the WhatsApp app for PC. Whether you're using WhatsApp desktop or the web version, the process is quick, easy, and only takes a few clicks. If you've muted a group to get some peace and quiet but now want to rejoin the conversation, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or searching for it in your apps list. Once it's open, make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. You should see all your recent chats listed on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, scroll through your chat list and find the group you want to unmute. Muted chats are usually labeled with a small speaker icon crossed out, which makes it easy to spot them. Take a moment to locate the right group, especially if you're part of many different ones. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that group's name. This will open a small menu with several options. From there, look for the one that says Unmute, click on it. That's it, your group is now unmuted. You'll start receiving message notifications from this group again just like before. If you ever want to mute or unmute a group again in the future, you can follow this same process. WhatsApp's new update makes it more straightforward than ever to manage your group notifications right from your PC without needing your phone at all. So, whether it's for work updates, family group chats, or hobby communities, you're now back in the loop and won't miss a thing. Take a second to check your notification settings if you want to fine-tune how alerts come through. WhatsApp gives you plenty of control there too. And that's how easy it is to unmute a group on WhatsApp's latest PC version